Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Toyota Hilux, stock number 6053. This ran from 08 2011 to 08 2015. It has a 1kd 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the 1kd 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear sticks. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.